Hello, welcome back to Farming Simulator 25, back on the old Scottish map. We are just after getting a full load here of barley, so it's time to put it. Okay, I gotta put four-wheel steer on. There we go. Time to put it into the shed. There we go. Beautiful. Right. So now I'm actually gonna be switching over. So take the trailer off. I'm gonna go put this tractor back in the shed. Right. We are gonna grab the old New Holland. Very nice tractor. It's very old too. Sounds great. Yeah, this is more like it. Yeah, this tractor is more designed for this sort of a trailer. Looks way better. Way better. Right, let's pull up here and get unloaded. And this field will get done. Do also have field 23, which is wheat. Yeah, wheat field. So that will need harvesting as well. But we're going to set a worker doing this. We're going to go buy a baler and bale this. Once we get this field done. Right. Let's get this field done. And this is the end. So that field is finally done. It took 3 episodes, which it shouldn't have. It should have been done in 1, but it is what it is. I'm having problems with the PC. But it's grand now, so everything should be fixed. So we'll get this emptied. I think that's the field there. Yeah, it is. Right. Yes, we can just drive right across the road. Oh, we just go straight across. Now, what way do these gates open? They open out. That ain't gonna get me. Right, this feels actually pretty decent size. So we're gonna set up a worker 3 times round. Yeah. Off you go. Oh, jet out there. Putting straw everywhere. Oh my god. What is this? I don't know. Let's just go empty this trailer. Leave him to do that. Right. empty this, and then we're back in the JCB to buy and pick up the brand new Baler. I'm only a trailer. Yeah, only a trailer too. Actually, I thought that was a barn for cows, but I don't think it is. Yeah, dumped in there. Right. Just get that saying. We can get there. Nice. Nice pile of barley. It's not gone over there either, so that's good. May actually just leave this here for now, as we do not need it. What we do need is this. 50 kilometers. Right. Balers. Where are they? Here. Anything good and square? Liftable. Do you have the Heston Baler? I don't think I don't think this JCB power that. There is the John Deere. That's pretty good actually. The John Deere. Round balers, anything? Nothing. There's this that can make 125. That makes 125 max. I think we'll go for yeah, we'll go for a John Deere. That makes sense. Yeah. Right. I'm gonna go pick that up. We'll be back in a minute and we'll be baling. There she is. Brand new JD Baler. Where's there? Oh yeah, we need to get bale time. Let me see here. Bale time. Probably should get one of the liftable ones. Let's get John Deere. Should take all of this though. Yeah. Nice. Right, let's fly back here to the field. We need to start getting bale. Oh. AI worker is nearly full. We have to sort that out first. We'll get back first. Right. Let's get this combine unloaded. He is now full. He didn't do too bad. It's actually a decent sized field. So make it two times. Did he make it two? Yeah, he did. Actually, he made it one and a little. That's pretty good. We can get a bit off this. which is what we need. Not bad. Get this bad boy unloaded. Alright, we'll tuck this up here in the corner, out of the way for now, and we will go over here to the JCB and start baling. Right, we are finally off baling. We are doing 240 centimeter bales. Yeah. If we can make 14,000, we'll make profit. If we make 14 from this field, we'll be making profit. So we can make a lot over there. But it looks like that one's yielding better. And it's a bigger field, so yeah. First bale is coming. Right, we are getting on quite decent at the minute. I am just about finished the headlands. It is apparently, what's happening? Is it raining? Or is it snowing? What is that? It is raining? I think it's snowing. And it says it's 34 degrees and it's snowing. Or raining. What's happening? What the hell? That's really loud. Why is that so loud? Ah, that's why. It's still really loud though. Interesting. This tractor is not very much a fan of this baler, because we're not going up very much of an incline. I'm only going 30 and now we're going up a little there. We're going up a bit, but it's not very happy. But yeah, it has stopped whatever it was doing, raining, snowing, mixture of both, in August, when it says it was 34 degrees. It's 30 now. But yeah, that has stopped. 6 o'clock now. The combine is flying it over there, and we're flying over here. Ups and downs. We get through this fairly quickly, and we'll be on to the next job, making hay for the cows and the sheep, and also exploring what that fire barn way over there is. I think it's just a storage shed or something, but I'm not sure. I haven't looked at it. Right, the combine is nearly full again, but in typical fashion, it'll be full going up. So it would be, which is just brilliant. And area is full, so I'm just gonna have to back in. And actually we're nearly full, trailer's nearly full. I know, I have to destroy some crop, which I don't like doing, but it's what it is. This trailer's nearly full. So we're not even going to be able to take the full load. 19,300 litres. Right, we have to go empty this now. So we do. It's full trailer. Right, we'll go into this. Right, we are gonna need to open up the second door. We're not gonna make that. Yep, second bay. Let's go in here first. Come out. Get the right, there we go. And now we can back her in. Combine's nearly full again. We can unload the wheat. Don't want to hit the roof, so we put it down and then put it back up. Right, there is the first bit of wheat in the shed, or in the barn. And actually we can close this door as we don't have any more barley to be going in. I'm assuming this one opens. Yeah, it does. Nice. Right, we'll go back and unload the combine yet again. No way. It's full on the wrong on the wrong side again. Oh my god. You can't make that up, can you? Get her unloaded. Yeah, this field is yielding better. Or actually no, that's only. Yeah, no, we should probably get another full trailer here. A little bit extra, which would be good. And then when yeah, apparently we're not in the harvest season for barley anymore, and wheat we have till end of August. So it's good that we're gonna get this done. I'm thinking maybe soybeans. They are in the spring. We'd have to put them in the spring. Peas, also the spring. Right now, canola, put barley in again, put wheat in again. The new crop on this map is onions, so definitely be doing onions at some point. Yeah. Get back here in the baler. Get that field finished. Before we do that, we actually have a car that I'm not sure about. It's wrong side drive too. Where is it? Yeah, it should be the other side, no? For the UK? UK and Ireland? This side, no? The left side? So I don't know why it's right hand drive. But, oh look, we have wool. First bit of wool. That's cool. Oh, It does have a hitch. I don't know if it's worth anything. Or if we should sell it. How much is it worth? Surely it's worth more than the Baler. How much is it worth? What do we have? Fast track. Combine. New Holland. 53 grand. 53. Damn. That thing might be going. Right, we are nearly done baling. And we're done. We got 9 bales. 9 bales of straw. 240,000. Wait, what? 240 centimeters. And they are 9,000 litres each. So that's not too bad. Now, while we wait for a combine, because he's still over there harvesting, he's nearly done though. I haven't been down here at all. Right. What is this? It's just like some old barn. Interesting. Does it worth anything? Can we sell this? Yeah, we can. No, we can't. Can we? Oh yeah, we can. Yeah, we can sell it. For 24,000. And we could put something in its place. Whoa, that's big. Something like this. We can fit 20 calves in here. Something like that maybe. We do have that. I don't think that is what I want. Yeah, and there's this too, which I think we have that down here, I think. So probably not that. We'd probably be looking at this. And that is worth this, nearly double. So we can get 20 calves. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, but definitely probably gonna sell this and put a cow barn there. Most likely. Also want to do fish farming and fishing, because you can do that now. Don't know how, but sure, we can figure that out. So we need to put this baler somewhere. That's not in the way. So get it out here, put it around the corner here. But yeah, I actually really like how the yard is laid out. I like it quite a lot actually. But yeah, we'll put this around here. And the grass field is up that other dirt track there. So we'll be doing that in the next one. Yeah, we'll put this baler away. I will be baling next time. Baling that other field. That be done with the New Holland. Because this tractor struggled with that other field. And there was barely any slopes in there. So, yeah. Yeah, it's a good tractor that. I actually think 4-wheel steer with a front loader on, it'll feel just like a telehandler. At least that's what I'm going to tell myself. We'll shut that up for the night. And go see here how the combine is doing. Right, combine is full. He's nearly done. very much nearly done. I'm going to try not drive on the straws watts too much. If I can help it. Yeah. We should, yeah, we should get a good bit. Full trailer, hopefully, another one would be very nice. I think wheat is worth more than barley, or is it barley's worth more than wheat? Let's see, barley, 30,000 litres, peaks at 682, and wheat 734, so wheat is worth more. So that is good for us. So we have more wheat. I'm actually going to go empty this now. So we'll probably need to unload the combine another few times. Yeah, this tractor and trailer, very nice. Very nice together. Right, we shall get this backed in here. We'll get it more close to this side. This time. Stop it there. Lovely jubbly. Right, get back to the field. We'll get this field done. And yeah, we're finally making good progress. The first two episodes were a bit crap. Nothing really happened. But finally, progress is happening. Right. Is this combining full? Doesn't look to be full. Right, we'll just have to wait here till he is full. Right, the combine is about half full. So we'll chase after him here. Oh yeah, he's pretty much done now. Anyway, get him unloaded. Yeah, about half full. Unload him. There's a little down there. There. Right, that's him done. Unloaded. Yeah, you can see this field is way more steeper. Like that JCB would have no chance of pulling a baler up here. Yeah, we'll wait for him to finish, unload, and we'll put everything away in the sheds. Right, the final pass from the combine of this field. Alright, blocked him.
Harry,
What?
do you still want to go watch the new Avatar movie?
No?
Okay. You sure?
Yeah. Right. We are done. There we go. Right. We'll bring this back. Bring the, yeah. Head trailer's over there. We'll go and grab, I need to turn them markers off. We'll go put this on the header trailer. Put this away and unload. Yeah, will be done for today. There is a bus coming. I've hit the bus. Right. Just put this on. I've messed that up. Hopefully it sticks. Nice. Right. We'll put this away into the shed. Into its very own shed. Look at that. Kinda needs washed. Be grand for now. I should fold the combine. Lights off. Lovely jubbly. And we can bring this back and put it away. Right. It is very much dark now, but that was a good day's work. Two fields harvested, one baled. Not too bad. We'll end off with putting this wheat in here into storage. Lovely. Go put this away into the shed again. We can have a final look, I suppose, at the wheat we got. If we had to push it, that would be handy. But we don't. Look at this. Bulk call. It actually like registers how much is in here. We have 41,000 litres of wheat and 30,000 litres of barley. Very good. Close that over. And we'll go put this away. Because we don't need the trailer. Put her back in here. Like so, and we'll pull the tractor around front. Where it was, which was here. It's actually ready to put seed in, so I'm just going to fill it up real quick. Now we'll be opening the cover. Right, pull forward. And that is it. Oh, look at the shadows. Look at that. Wow. And that is it for this episode. Wow, it looks good. Bye for now.